Hello from the Bureau with an update on the tropical low in the Northern Territory. Well, what a difference a day can make. And while we're seeing the forecast heavy rain and strong wind gusts eventuate across the northwest top end today, we've now cancelled the cyclone watch and warning areas for the Territory, as the system looks unlikely to reach cyclone intensity until it moves further west into the Timor Sea. To understand what's changed, let's take a closer look. Now, overnight, the system moved slowly towards the northern top-end coast, but we didn't see the usual overnight increase in thunderstorm activity that we'd expect to see with a tropical low that's intensifying towards cyclone strength. At 12:30 p.m. Central Time on Tuesday, the centre of the low was just crossing the Coburg Peninsula, around 190 kilometres to the northeast of Darwin. Now, the current position of the system is important to the current forecast. It's a little further to the south and east than we expected at this time yesterday. And the system's interaction with the land over the Coburg Peninsula now means that it's unlikely to reach cyclone intensity near the NT coast. But this tropical low remains hazardous, and it still packs a punch. We've got a severe weather warning current across the northwest top end for damaging wind gusts and heavy rainfall that may lead to localised flash flooding. Already today, we've seen wind gusts of up to 85 kilometres per hour along some northern coastal locations along the Coburg Peninsula and Croker Island. Widespread daily rainfall totals of up to 100 millimetres are being experienced, with higher localised totals including 222 millimetres to 9 am this morning at Warrawee on Goulburn Island. As the tropical low continues on its southwest track overnight tonight, we're likely to see those severe weather impacts begin impacting the Van Diemen coast, including Darwin. Coastal areas along the southern Tiwis and the coast of Van Diemen Gulf will likely see large waves and abnormally high tides for the remainder of Tuesday and into early Wednesday. Now, the risk of widespread flooding remains low. However, localised heavy rain could lead to flash flooding in some coastal areas. And looking further ahead, this tropical low may still reach cyclone intensity yet as it tracks to the southwest over open waters of the Timor Sea on Wednesday. The outlook for this system as far as WA is concerned hasn't really changed, and we've got a cyclone watch remaining in place for coastal areas of the Kimberley between Mitchell Plateau and the NT-WA border. And we may even see the system reach Category 2 intensity as it nears the coast sometime on Thursday. So although cyclone warnings and watches have now been cancelled for the northwest top end, the weather will remain hazardous during Wednesday with windy and rainy conditions, and a cyclone watch does remain in place for the Kimberley. Please check back with the Bureau on our website, our app and on Twitter for all the latest updates of all warnings and forecasts.